ninyo ngayon? O inagaw ninyo? Pa-armorize ninyo. Totoo, proven M60. Alright. Si Todrilon, M60, sir. Hindi talaga tumaanas. Pati binara na nila. Nasira na lang yung barang. Hindi talaga nila. And the soldiers inside will order all the time. Minamasinggan na. Hindi tatalab. Oh. Kaya, gago, pati yung convoy ko, may ambusin. Hindi nila alam na nakasibat na ako. Kaya gusto niya ako mag-usap kayo na. Sumubra kayo. Ikaw, season, tang, mag-inom ka ng tang yung orange. Matanda ka na. Kayong Pilipinas na kinig. Buong Pilipinas. Kayong mga bata. Kayong mga lumad natives. Ito matatanda na ito. Season is sick. May colon cancer. Ang gastos ng Norway, sumurrender na siya. Kasi naging issue sa politika. This government who sponsored those, who provided the good offices. Matatalo sa eleksyon dahil sa issue dyan. Kasi pabalik-balik ang mga buang kala mo, mga turista. Wala na ang pinag-usapan. Pagdating dito, gusto ng ganito, gusto ng ganito. Lo mo. Huwag mong sabihin yung meaning doon sa mga bisita. Pura na ko ba? Talagang ano ako, sir? Masyadong demanding. Hindi naman kayo nanalo ng eleksyon si minsan. You cannot even hang on to a barangay. And you keep on killing people. Hindi lang yung mga pulis, pati yung mga civilians na ayaw magsali sa kanila. Kaya sabi ko talaga, buang ka. Ang sinabi ko talaga, pardon po siya, pinutang ina ko talaga siya. The other day sa Davao. Sino tinatakot ninyo? Katanda-tanda na ninyo eh. At lahat tayo mamatay. Kayong mga na iwan dyan sa karsada, mabuti pa umuwi kayo. Wala kayong makuha dyan sa komunista. Do you think that if the ISIS prevails in this country, that you will have a place in their society? You must be openly stupid as stupid. Wala kayong makuha. Lahat ay damay. Thank you for allowing the exhaust dito. In our sustained effort to achieve just and lasting peace, Class, be courteous. Do not make a noise. The visitors are listening. Just and lasting peace. For United Nations, we are pursuing an inclusive peace process in promoting the participation of all stakeholders, including those conflict-affected areas. We took steps to promote inclusiveness in the Bangsamoro Transmission Commission by expanding its membership to Executive Order Number 8, which I signed in November last year, by giving representation to indigenous peoples, women, children, and sultanates, and key stakeholders in the drafting of the Bangsa Basic Law, to ensure a Bangsamoro government that truly reflects the aspirations of our Muslim brothers and sisters as well, as our indigenous brethren. We have embarked on various initiatives to advance our national interests in the global community. We pursue good relations with all nations anchored on an independent foreign policy and the basic tenets of sovereign equality, mutual respect, and done in